In this guide, we're going over how you can create cross-platform parties here in Rocket League on PS4, PS5, Xbox, Xbox Series X and S, PlayStation, Switch, PC, whatever you might be on. We're going over all of it. But before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, this process is pretty simple now that Epic Games does own Rocket League. But there's a few things that you need to do first. First things first, get loaded into Rocket League, go into your settings, and once you're in your settings, what you need to do is find cross-platform play in the gameplay section and make sure this is ticked on. If this is not ticked on, this will not work. You don't have to save it though, just hit back once you have it turned on and you're good to go. And what you're going to want to do next is actually go down to the bottom right and select on your profile, like friend icon. And this is going to be your friends menu right here. You're going to see, friends that are currently on the game as well. And then of course, you're also going to see friends that are off the game in this section. And if you've had Epic Games friends in the past, you're going to see all of them on here as well. But if you need to add, different friends, go ahead and select add Epic friend here. And then of course, once they accept those invites, you'll be able to invite them to your party. Now, essentially what you need to do is create a party all the way down here. Find your Epic friends on here, select them, and invite them, and you're good to go. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.